On X or Twitter, if someone follows you, you might get notifications about it. If you don't want notifications when someone follows you on X or Twitter, you can turn them off. In this video, we'll explain how to do that. Open the X app to get started. Up top, you'll see your profile photo. Tap on it. When you do, you'll see Settings and Support. Click on Settings and Support. From there, you'll find Settings and Privacy. Tap on that. Next, you'll see Notifications. Click on this button. When you tap it, you'll see a Preferences option. Tap on Preferences. Then, you'll find Push Notifications. Click on that. Scroll down, and you'll see Followers and Contacts. Under that, there's New Followers. It might be turned on, which is why you're getting notifications when you have new followers. If you don't want those, just turn it off. After that, you won't get notifications for new followers. That's how you can easily stop follower notifications on X or Twitter. Hope this video helped you out. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next one.